A joint mission for peace. Kenyan and Haitian forces unite. This collaboration marks a significant step towards restoring stability in a troubled region. Haiti is facing a severe crisis, with its streets filled with uncertainty and fear. Powerful gangs control many parts of the country, creating a state of lawlessness. They use violence and fear to get what they want, leaving the population in constant terror. The Haitian people are caught in the middle, struggling to live their daily lives amidst the chaos. The Haitian government, overwhelmed by the situation, asked for international help. Kenya responded to the call, showing solidarity and commitment to global peace. Kenyan police officers traveled to Haiti, ready to assist in restoring order. They joined forces with Haitian police. Their mission is dangerous and requires great courage. They must fight the gangs and bring back peace. The world is watching closely, hoping for a positive outcome. Everyone hopes this joint effort will work, bringing a sense of normalcy back to the streets. The goal is to bring safety and security back to Haiti, ensuring a better future for its people. The gangs are a powerful enemy, well-armed and organized. They have lots of guns and ammunition, making them a formidable force. They know the streets of Haiti very well, using the urban landscape to their advantage. This makes them hard to fight. The police are brave, facing these challenges head-on. They are risking their lives every day to help Haiti, showing true heroism in the face of danger. Challenges and frustrations. A slow start to restoring order. The initial efforts to restore peace have been met with numerous obstacles. The mission in Haiti is not easy. The bustling streets of Port-au-Prince are a testament to the complexity of the situation. The Kenyan and Haitian police face many challenges. Progress has been slow, and the coordination between the forces is crucial. This is frustrating for everyone involved. The community's patience is wearing thin. The gangs are deeply rooted in the communities. Their influence is pervasive and hard to dismantle. They have been operating for a long time. The history of gang presence in Haiti is long and entrenched. This makes it hard to remove them. The police are outnumbered and often find themselves in precarious situations. The gangs have more people. Their numbers give them a significant advantage. The police are also outgunned. Their standard-issue firearms are no match for the gang's arsenal. The gangs have more powerful weapons. This disparity in firepower is a major hurdle. Despite the challenges, the police are determined. Their resolve to bring order is unwavering. They are working hard to make a difference. Community outreach is a key part of their strategy. They want to bring peace back to Haiti. Building trust with the locals is essential. The Haitian people are losing hope. The prolonged instability has taken a toll on their spirits. They are tired of living in fear. The constant threat of violence looms over their daily lives. They want to see results. The community's demand for change is growing louder. Outnumbered and outgunned. The difficult fight against Haitian gangs. The streets of Haiti are a battleground. The Kenyan police in Haiti are brave. They have come from far away to help restore peace. They are facing a difficult enemy. The gangs are ruthless and well-organized. The gangs are heavily armed. They possess weapons that are often more advanced than those of the police. They are used to fighting. Their experience in combat makes them formidable opponents. The police are often outgunned. Their equipment is no match for the firepower of the gangs. This makes their job very dangerous. Every day they risk their lives to protect the community. Still, they continue to fight for the Haitian people. Their dedication is unwavering. The gangs use fear to control people. They threaten families. They kidnap for ransom. Their tactics are brutal. They even recruit children to join their ranks. This adds another layer of tragedy to the situation. This makes it difficult for the police to gain the trust of the community. Fear and distrust run deep. People are afraid to speak out. The threat of gang retaliation looms over them. The police are trying to change this. They are making efforts to connect with the community. They are working to build relationships with the people. Trust is essential for effective policing. They want to show they are there to help. Their presence is meant to be a source of support. It will take time to earn the community's trust, but with persistence and genuine effort, change is possible. Section 4. Voices of Despair. Haitian citizens demand action and security. The Haitian people are suffering. They live in fear every day. The gangs control their lives. They demand action. The people want to live in peace. They want to go to work and school without fear. They want their children to have a future. Many Haitians are fleeing their homes. They are escaping the violence. They are becoming refugees in their own country. This is creating a humanitarian crisis. The situation is dire. The Haitian people are calling for help. They need the world to pay attention to their plight. They need support to overcome this crisis. Section 5. A nation in crisis. The devastating impact of gang violence. Haiti is in a state of emergency. The gang violence is having a terrible impact. People are dying, the economy is collapsing, the country is in chaos. The violence is preventing people from accessing basic needs, hospitals and schools are closed, food and water are scarce, people are living in desperate conditions, the international community is providing aid, but it is not enough. Haiti needs more than just aid, it needs a long-term solution. Section 6. The path forward. A call for comprehensive solutions and global support. The situation in Haiti is complex. There is no easy solution. The country needs a multifaceted approach. This includes security, justice, and development. The police mission is just the first step. Haiti needs a long-term plan to rebuild its institutions. This includes strengthening the justice system. It also means addressing the root causes of the violence, such as poverty and inequality. The international community must continue to support Haiti. This is a global issue. We must work together to help Haiti find peace and stability. The Haitian people deserve a better future.